Good evening, class 11. Let's start. We are going to study nature of compounds of alkaline earth metals. So first one, nature of oxides. Now, alkaline earth metals react with oxygen on heating to form respective oxides. Now, beryllium, magnesium, calcium usually form monooxides, while strontium and barium forms peroxides in presence of excess of oxygen. Now, oxides, the basic or the ionic character of these oxides, of group 2 oxides, increases on moving down the group. Why? As we are moving from beryllium to barium, the size increases, extent of polarization decreases, that decreases the covalent character, hence ionic character or the basic character of the oxides increases on moving down the group. Next, we come to the solubility of the oxides in water. As we move from beryllium oxide to barium oxide, the solubility in water increases. Now why? As we move from beryllium to barium, the size increases, due to which the lattice enthalpy decreases. That increases the hydration enthalpy, which increases their solubility in water. So the order of solubility in water in case of group 2 oxides is given as, that means barium oxide is most soluble in water, while beryllium and magnesium oxides are least water soluble due to their higher lattice enthalpies. Next, we come to hydroxides. Alkaline earth metal oxides react with water to form respective hydroxides except beryllium oxide. Now, in case of hydroxides, the ionic character increases on moving down the group, while as the size increases from beryllium to barium, the extent of polarization decreases, which decreases the covalent character. As a result, ionic character or basic character of hydroxides increases from beryllium to barium. Next, thermal stability of hydroxides increases from beryllium to barium hydroxides. Now why? As the size increases, so the extent of polarization decreases, covalent character decreases, as a result of which the bonds get more and more stable. As a result, thermal stability increases. Next, solubility of the hydroxides in water increases on moving down the group, because the size increases from beryllium to barium, so the lattice enthalpy decreases, which increases the hydration enthalpy more and more, as a result of which their solubility in water increases down the series. That means this is the order of solubility. Magnesium hydroxides, that means barium hydroxide is most water soluble. Right? Next we have hydrides. Now alkaline earth metal react with hydrogen to form respective hydrides except beryllium. Now ionic character of hydrides increases again on moving down the group. Now the reason is same, the size increases from beryllium to barium, so the polarization decreases, due to which the covalent character decreases and ionic character increases. Now next we have thermal stability of the hydrides. On moving down the series, that is on moving from beryllium to barium, the thermal stability of the hydrides decreases. Why? As the size increases from beryllium to barium, the extent of the bonding with small sized hydrogen decreases, due to which the bond strength decreases and the bond becomes less stable and their stability decreases. Next we have the halides. Now alkaline earth metal, they react with halogens slowly to form respective halides. Now beryllium halides, they are usually covalent by nature, while halides of other alkaline earth metal, they are ionic and usually water soluble. Beryllium chloride has lower melting point, while chloride of other alkaline earth metal are comparatively higher. Melting point of beryllium chloride is much lesser, while the melting point of chlorides of other alkaline earth metal are comparatively higher. Then your beryllium chloride has a polymeric structure in solid state where each beryllium atom is surrounded by 4 chlorine atoms. 2 chlorine atoms are covalently bonded to the beryllium atom, while 2 chlorine atoms are coordinately bonded to the beryllium atom. Now this polymeric structure of beryllium chloride is due to its electron deficient nature. Now this polymeric structure, it exists in the solid state, while in the vapor state, the structure of beryllium chloride is dimeric. Next we have your nature of carbonates and sulfates. So alkaline earth metal carbonates and sulfates, their thermal stability increases on moving down the group. The reason, on moving down the group, the size increases from beryllium to barium. So the extent of polarization decreases, covalency decreases. So the bond becomes more and more stable. So the thermal stability increases. Next, solubility of alkaline earth metal carbonates and sulfates. It decreases on moving down the series, means it decreases from beryllium to barium. Why? Because as the size increases from beryllium to barium, the hydration enthalpy decreases, due to which their solubility in water decreases. So this is the order of group 2 sulfate. That means barium sulfate is least soluble in water due to greater size. That means lesser hydration enthalpy. So that's it, class 11. Thank you.